What has occurred is that at the time when the new regulation was introduced, we had some very serious concerns with the new regulation. We felt that there were different aspects that violated our rights and would have had a negative impact on our business, which could have impacted our operations and even how we pay for cane. And so to avoid any short-term adverse impacts, we applied for an emergency injunction so that a judge can review, in particular, the sections of the new regulations that we had challenged. And so that emergency injunction was going to take place on the 21st of July, but we've come to an agreement with the attorneys for the government to essentially leave the status quo, whereby the sections of the law that we have challenged will in effect not apply until the substantive matter is heard by a judge. And we know that that will take some months, perhaps a ruling until maybe next year to be received. So those aspects of the regulations that we have challenged, those will in effect be put on hold while the matter is heard. So for us, it's the outcome we would have wanted, whereby our business can continue to operate without any adverse impact until we get a ruling from the judge. So we're not expecting any impact on getting licenses for exporting sugar, any permits, and which could have had a negative impact on our business. The impact that it could have had is that if there were certain sections of the regulations which we believe we cannot comply with from a practical and a legal standpoint, and if we don't comply, then it gives the power to the minister and the Sugar Industry Control Board and the Supplies Control Unit to not issue us a license to export sugar or a permit to export sugar. And so if we are not unable to export sugar, it means that we cannot function as a business.